In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your YouTube comments. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but begin by opening up the YouTube app on your device and go ahead and tap You down in the bottom right corner to take you to a page that looks like this. Just make sure you're signed into the correct account. If not, tap your account up at the top and switch it to the right one. But from here, hit the gear icon up in the top right to go into your settings and scroll down a little bit, and what you're looking for is the option to manage all history. It should be kind of towards the top but not directly. Go ahead and select that. It's going to redirect you for a little bit to a page that looks like this, and once you're on this page right here, which is the Google activity page, go ahead and find the interactions tab up at the very top. You're going to see a bunch of different tabs on here. Obviously, select comments, likes, and dislikes. Or what you can also do to make it even more specific is tap comments and replies. Go ahead and select that. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. And you're going to see a list of all the comments that you've posted on YouTube. Next to each comment, there's going to be a little X. Go ahead and select that, and it'll delete that comment. And you can repeat this process for each comment just like so. But right now, YouTube does not offer an option to delete all comments at once inside the app, so you're going to have to remove them all individually. It really is as simple as that, though. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.